Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have the first unboxing of the year 2022. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everyone is having a great year or a great start to the year, and hopefully 2022 is better than 2021 and 2020. So, my first watch of the year is actually one of these elusive watches. Let me take this out because it has my name and address. So just put this out. Here we go. Sorry about that. So basically I've been trying to get this watch now for maybe the fourth time, and every time it sells out in under a minute. And yeah, this time I was actually successful at last. So let's check out what kind of watch it is. So you can see United Kingdom, that might be a clue. Just a second. Maybe I'll pause this and open it and then show it to you guys. And we're back with the box of the watch. As you can see, this is the Smith. This is the Silver Jubilee edition. Nice box. Very nice traveling box. Space for two watches. Here's the papers of the watch. Smith. And inside, I guess you would find the specs of the watch. As you can see, stainless steel, 36 millimeters, 39.3 lug to lug is 43.5, 11.3 thickness, 20 millimeters lug width, anti-magnetic 20,000 ampere meter, water resistant, 100 meters water resistant, screw back, screw down crown, drilled lugs. You have here the natural aventurine dial with the super luminova crystal. You have a high dome crystal. You have the Miyota 9039 movement, 2800 beats per hour, and a Jubilee style bracelet. Gentle care. This is the serial number 107 out of 500, and that's the date of the purchase. So coming up to the watch. Whoa, that looks really nice. By the way, I'm wearing my Philippe pickbook. Whoa, that's super cool. Dial looks really nice. Let's take the first off. Wow. That bracelet looks actually really cool. But I'm definitely not gonna wear it on bracelet in winter, you know me. So I will directly take off the bracelet and leave it as it is. Wow, it looks pretty cool. It's already ticking. Let me screw down. So winding, stop seconds, no ghost position. So it's 1:13. Screws back, good. Yep, screws back okay. Here you have the drilled lugs for easy swapping of straps. Here you have the number of the reference number and the number from this limited edition. Let me take it off the strap and put it on a brown leather strap to be ready for the winter time. So I took the watch out and I took the bracelet out. As you can see, these are the options that I have. I have either a dark brown, a mahogany brown, and two blacks. And I think that's how it will look on the brown. Let's see the light brown. It looks quite nice also on the light brown. Very fitting. On the black rubber, goes quite well as well, I think. It has a little bit of a blue hue if from this angle. And last but not least, let's see this. Oh, that looks quite nice. I think the brown one looks the most fitting. So let's see. Maybe before I put on the strap, let me show you the lume of the watch. So you have on the lume pips, super luminova. On the hands, you have those Mercedes hands, syringe minute hands. It looks really nice, the dial. I do understand why the people are selling it for 4 or 5 times the price on the secondary market, but I won't be selling this one because I really like it. It's definitely a nice alternative for the Explorer. Yeah, let me put on the strap and show you a couple of wrist shots. So here it is on the strap, and on my wrist I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. It's around 6.7 inches of wrist. And as you can see on this collar wrap leather distress strap, which is actually a Seiko buckle, I can change the buckle to a non-descriptive buckle. And as you can see on my wrist, it just looks quite cool with this brown strap. I'll leave it on this brown strap for now. Maybe I'll use every day to put it on a new strap to try it out. And we'll do a first impressions video in a couple of weeks. Actually, I might put this one because I made this one in December. I might upload this one in December, so the Happy New Year's at the start might be a little bit too early, but I'll upload then the first impression and the review videos in January. So thanks for watching. If you're still watching, it might interest you to subscribe because it does help a lot the channel. And if you want to subscribe, press the button here, and you might find 2 interesting videos on the left and on the right. Also, you can check them out. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.